नमस्कार मित्रहो, राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिनानिमित्त टकले चॅरिटेबल ट्रस्ट तर्फे चालवण्यात आलेल्या द्वैमासिक विज्ञान प्रसाराच्या अंतिम टप्प्यात आपण पोहोचलेलो आहोत। यामध्ये एक अतिशय महत्त्वाचा आणि नेहमीचा आपला उपक्रम असतो प्रश्नमंजुषेचा, म्हणजे चालता बोलताचा। नमस्कार, आपण आहोत शांतिवन नेरे परिसरात। आपल्या सोबत आहेत बीएडच्या काही विद्यार्थिनी, श्रमदानानिमित्त त्या इथे आलेल्या आहेत आणि आज आपण त्यांना प्रश्न विचारणार आहोत। आपला हा कार्यक्रम होत आहे राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिनानिमित्त आणि या कार्यक्रमाचं आयोजन केलेलं आहे टकले चॅरिटेबल ट्रस्ट पनवेल आणि म्हणूनच आपण वळूया आपल्या विद्यार्थी मित्रांकडे। आपण त्यांना काही प्रश्न विचारणार आहोत। आपण पाहणार आहोत की समाजामध्ये ज्ञान, विज्ञान, प्रमोदन आणि वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोन यांचा मेळ या 21व्या शतकात जमतोय की नाही। तो आज हम इस मतलब जो अपना नेशनल साइंस डे है उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हम ये प्रतियोगिता का आयोजन किया है, जिसमें मैं आपको कुछ सवाल पूछूंगा। जिसको वो सवाल का जवाब है, यू हैव टू रेज द हैंड। दैट पर्सन जिसको जो वॉलंटियर करेगा उसको आगे आना है एंड देन वो सवाल कंटिन्यूस आगे चलता रहेगा। फर्स्ट जवाब एक चॉकलेट, सेकंड जवाब, जब तक वो जवाब सही दे रही है तब तक ये आगे चलता रहेगा। ओके, सो योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हियर, यू हैव टू टेल मी रियली स्पीकिंग, नेशनल साइंस डे कौन से डे को सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है?
It's on 28th February.
28th February. So your first question is right. You are eligible for first chocolate. Okay. You have to answer another question also. तो आपका दूसरा सवाल ये है कि ये नेशनल साइंस डे जो 28th फरवरी को सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है, इसका रीजन क्या है?
रीजन है इनका बर्थडे था, साइंटिस्ट, एक साइंटिस्ट का बर्थडे।
Okay, so here as she attempted, I hope that your answer is closed. So मैं आगे बोल। So the answer सही नहीं है, सही मायने में आ नहीं पाया because we expect very crisp answer। तो हम दूसरे किसी की तरफ यही सवाल लेके जाना चाहेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच मैडम।
थैंक यू।
या तो नेक्स्ट पर्सन कोई है जो इस सवाल का जवाब दे पाएगा? या प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड, यू हैव टू कम फॉरवर्ड। You have to face the camera, introduce yourself and then give the answer.
Hi, I am Rukmini Chaudhary. I'm MSc and doing BEd. I think this day is a birthday of scientist Alfred Nobel. That's why this day is celebrated as a science day.
Oh, sorry, but it's again a wrong guess. So we have to really change the question because the team is big, but the answers are coming in other way. Thank you. We'll call you again with the next question. Yeah. Next attempt by madam.
Not madam, as a science student I am talking
Yeah, that's fine. Everybody is a student throughout life.
According to me, by thinking why science day, because they have done, all the scientists have put so much effort for us to make our lives very easy and these things. So to just give them the respect, we are celebrating this day as a science.
No, I'll come to the actual answer. Let me give you all answer in front of camera. That this 28th February is celebrated as a National Science Day in a fond memory of Dr. C.V. Raman and his great discovery called Raman effect. Okay, so these two things which in together are the reason to celebrate. As madam said rightly, this is basically to remember that science and technology prevails. Science and technology is very important for surviving and making civilization their life comfortable. So we come to the next very simple question. You have to tell me which is the biggest natural satellite of solar system. Raise your hands. Hello, anybody come forward. No, you don't answer. You have to raise hand, come forward. Who is coming? Yeah, please come in for front of camera. Introduce yourself.
My name is Pushpa and I'm doing BA Jeshta.
Yes, okay. Okay. You what you are trying to tell? That biggest natural satellite in a solar system is Jeshta. The answer is wrong because you all know Jeshta is Swati, Jeshta are all stars of the Milky Way galaxy.
Not a satellite.
We are talking about natural satellite in Marathi. थोडक्यात नैसर्गिक उपग्रह. Okay, so anybody can attempt, please. Thank you so much. Yeah. Moon. Okay. So again, this is a wrong guess. Rukmini is the second wrong guess. Okay. So, what's your name? Okay. So now anybody is having any wild guess for this answer? No, I asked you which is the biggest natural satellite of our solar system. So our solar systems, if nobody is able to answer, then I have to answer because it is for your enhancing your knowledge. Huh? Satellite. So for others to gain something out of this, I already explained them during my lecture and again reiterate that the biggest natural satellite of the solar system is Ganymede, which is natural satellite of the planet Jupiter. Okay. Okay. So the Ganymede is the biggest natural satellite. So now again we come to the very simple question that which is the biggest planet of our solar system. Please come forward. No. You have to answer forward only. Yeah. You have to introduce first.
My name is Mohsina Mohammad Ali and I have done graduation in biochemistry.
Okay. Now you answer me. Which is the biggest planet of solar system?
The biggest planet is Jupiter.
Very good. Now, very good. Your first question, answer is right. So you deserve one chocolate. Now we come to the second question of this session. Okay. So now you have to really tell me. We have understood that the 28th February is a National Science Day. Similarly, we celebrate many days. Now you have to tell me that just 2012 year has passed. Okay. Now 2012 has been celebrated as one particular year. Like I'll tell you what I'm trying to ask you. 2009 was the International Astronomy year. Okay. 2011 was the International Forest year. As such, what was the 2012 year was for? Which field, which subject?
For education.
Mathematics.
Thank you.
Okay.
Mathematics.
This is not the right approach, but whatever, you probably proceed. I don't know. We'll see what is to be done at the last time, but we can go ahead. Suppose it was the second was the right answer. Now you have to tell me very simple but little complicated. Okay. The third question is you have to tell me how many Nobel Prize till date India has bagged, considering various scientists of origin, Indian origin or born and brought up in India or probably Indian citizen in all aspects. How many Nobel Prize in all fields considering India has got till date?
I think according to me there was also combined sharing of
How many Nobel Prize India has got?
Nobel Prize for Science.
Nobel Prizes are in many fields.
Yeah, I
it's
know,
in
I know.
literature. It's in science.
So,
It's how many
only
Nobel?
science? No, how many? Total. I have no idea.
Very good. Thank you so much. Now we come to the very simple type of questions. You have to tell me what is the process by which sun is producing energy. Anybody can come forward. Now आप लोग try मार चुके हैं तो पीछे का कोई है तो बोलो. Anybody from the back? Yeah, please come forward.
Ari.
You got the understood the question, huh? You just introduce yourself in front of camera.
My name is Neha. I have done post-graduation. And my answer is a fusion process.
Okay, thank you so much. So your first answer is right, that sun runs on the hydrogen fusion reaction. Second question I am going to ask you. You have to tell me that how many Earth can be accommodated in Saturn. Approximate answer. So it can be range. Okay, it's okay. Time out. You have to give some fluke or probably anything. You want to just guesswork? No idea. Okay. So thank you so much. You have answered one question, so you will get it. Before I leave, you have to ask for the chocolates. Okay. So now anybody want to try again? Okay. Any guesses? पीछे से बहुत guess मारते हो आप लोग. Anybody can come forward who knows the answer? Nobody knows how many satellite, how many Earth can be accommodated in Saturn?
Approximately 700.
Approximately 700. So okay, you compensate for that बीच में जो मैडम ने आंसर दिया था उसको compensate. ठीक है. So now,
Share the chocolate.
so that's fine. Okay. So now we go ahead with some other questions. Like now we'll come to the some other part of it. You have to tell me that whatever till date, whatever like we have through lecture we have understood many things and many myths pertaining to the science and technology. So now I am going to ask you one very simple question. You know that there is some phenomena called eclipse. Now this eclipse phenomena happens, it's basically shadow game, all you know. So now you have to tell me in solar eclipse, okay, what is the position? I am giving you two options, okay. In solar eclipse, it's moon between earth and sun, or it's earth between moon and sun? If you have not understood the options, you can ask me. I am giving you two options for the solar eclipse. Which is the right condition? Moon is between earth and sun, or earth is between sun and moon. Don't. If you, this is the way. Yeah, please come forward. Introduce.
My name is Lalita Khandelwal and I am the B.Ed student from PVDT college, and my answer is the first option.
What is that first option?
Moon is between earth and sun.
Moon is between earth and sun is the right answer, because that is how the solar eclipse happens. So this is the first answer is right, so you deserve one chocolate. Now we come to thank you so much for participating also. So now we moved on to the second. Okay, now you have to tell me how many natural satellites Jupiter has. We'll come to you. That's fine. You are anyway in queue because you came all the way running from the back row. By chance, you know, you can give some wild guesses. 10 to 12 is a highly wrong answer. So we move on to this lady is there. Anyway. She has already come forward. Introduce.
My name is Upasana Tiwari and I have done my BSc in chemistry. And the right answer is 4.
So this is again the wrong answer. So we have a new person. Somebody was here. Please forward. Okay. Now I have asked you a question, or the question is open, which now you are going to answer. How many natural satellites Jupiter has? 4. This is again, it's a repetition of mistake. So please come forward. Okay, please. She is again 4. So everybody is 4. So you have very you can come forward, but just hold on. Okay, I have to give explanation. Probably you were not very attentive during my lecture probably. So okay, it's कैसा हो गया कि क्लास हो गई और उसके बाद immediately exam है, फिर भी बच्चे आंसर नहीं कर पा रहे. Please come forward and now you can answer. You.
I think 16.
It's 16 is again a highly wrong answer. Okay. Please madam, please. You have to introduce yourself.
I am Sugandha. I am doing the B.Ed. Sir, right answer is 13.
13 is again wrong answer. So okay, if nobody knows, then I will answer. Anybody want to have some wild guesses? Okay. See, for your kind information, the natural satellites of Jupiter are around 63 to 65. आपण परत भेटत राहणार आहोत याच आपल्या उद्देशाने ज्ञान, विज्ञान, प्रबोधन, वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोन आणि पर्यावरण संरक्षण. आजसाठी आपण रजा घेऊया. धन्यवाद.